Hello and welcome to this eDromos tutorial on process analysis configuration with flow process mining. There's three types of process mining in eDromos. Today we'll explore the flow process mining type. So let's get started and jump into eDromos. We continue from the first tutorial that set up the CVD data source and data configuration. So we start off in the project view with the Analysis Configurations tab open. Then we click on the Add New Item button and select Process Analysis Flow. It transfers us to the Process Configuration view. First, we have to select the data configuration we want to use. Currently, there's only one data configuration in eDromos, so it's the default. So here in the center we have the phases of the process we want to examine, and on the right we have the different events that happen in the data. So, for example, if we want to examine the emergency department, we drag the ED block from the right into the center. This creates the first phase of our process. This creates a simple process with one phase, which includes only one visit to the emergency department. This means that we only examine the processes that have only one visit to the emergency department. Now we can start the process by clicking on Save Analysis. And here we have the result, which is very simple, but so was our process configuration. Here we can see the case and event counts, which are identical because there's only one event in each process. In the center we have the unique ID count, which is the amount of patients that have gone through the process. This process was very simple, so next we'll do a more complex process configuration. We can return to the process configuration view by clicking Edit. In our current configuration, we only have the emergency department, which doesn't really tell that the patients are cerebrovascular disease patients. So we should add some more phases to filter out the real cerebrovascular disease patients. So we'll add the neurology clinic and the neurology ward to our process configuration. Then our process is from the emergency department to the neurology clinic to the neurology ward, which is a process common to cerebrovascular disease patients. But if some patients go from the emergency department straight to the neurology ward, we can set the outpatient clinic neurology frequency minimum to 0. This makes the neurology clinic visit optional to our process. Then we can run the analysis by pressing Save Analysis. So, as we can see, we have less patients in our process because our process is stricter, but now we pretty much cover only the cerebrovascular disease patients and not everyone. Thanks for watching, and in the next tutorial we'll dive deeper into process mining features of eDromos.